Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add link to Instagram post. To add a link, first of all, open your Instagram application and make sure that you have logged into it. Once you make sure that, choose any post that you want to link on your Instagram. For now, I'm choosing this one. Hit on the three lines and select see where to share and copy link. From there, hit on the copy link. Now, go through your profile by hitting on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select edit profile and go through the links and add that link and hit on the done. Once you do that, go back to the Instagram homepage and hit on the plus button and post a story. Now, once you're done with the story, on the top you will see a sticker icon. Simply hit on that and choose link. Now again, paste that link over here and hit on the done. Once you do that, click on the arrow button which is on the bottom right corner and then you are good to go. In this way, you can add a link to your Instagram post. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.